How to apply Grayscale on Inkscape. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys a quick and easy way to apply Grayscale to your images on Inkscape. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to do is select the image that you want to change the color of or that you want to turn into a grayscale. So you'll have to bump down the saturation for this image in order for you to turn it into a grayscale. And how do you do that? You just have to simply go ahead and select the image first, and then from here you'll find the different color options here. You can choose the grayscale option here and adjust the size of it. But if nothing is happening, then you want to head over to filters, head over to colors, and then click on color shift. Now all you have to do here is bump down the saturation all the way to 0 and then click on apply. And as you can see, the image has now been turned into a grayscale. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.